Yep, guys, pulling the crankshaft out of another engine.
Watch the bearings. See the bearings? That makes sense. That is a really good engine. Really good engine.
NYDiesels.com. You're guaranteed a good engine. Most trucks of ours have rebuilt engines or low mileage engines. You know, sometimes they just need rings and bearings and gaskets. You know, every truck, every engine's a little different. You know, but you're always going to get a guaranteed good engine. You literally can buy a truck from NY Diesels with 0 miles on it. Fully rebuilt engines, it's no problem. We're just showing you part of the process. This is what we do day in and day out, is second gen Cummins diesel trucks. Remanufacturing, rebuilding, and restoring. NYDiesels.com.